Hi guys, it's Florian. I'm making just a short video how to assemble and fix a new windshield to your car. If you got one from Pippen McGrath, like a lot of people in this group and apparently all over the world do, they have a customized windshield which is basically a PVC hardcover, and I understand you can also do customizing labels, so mine will have a very nice Star Wars logo on it. Right. I'm going to film how I fix that into my SLK. I have an R171 SLK 200. And I'm going to film that so you guys know how to do it. He sent me a picture how to over Facebook, but maybe this video is a bit easier for some of us. All right. Right, I think it's easier to take the top down to work in the inside of your car. And what he says as the first step is you need to get rid of this part. So there's two screws below there, right there. It's Torx 20. So just, it's a bad light. There you go. You loosen them up. Now, when you loosen those screws, please make sure that they don't fall off like they just did with me, so they're somewhere down there. But if you have loosened them, you can take this off. Now in the next steps, you want to loosen those screws. Don't take them out. You want to loosen them by 3 or 4 millimeters. So you use a wrench with an 11 knot and then you just unscrew them. Again, do not take them out. You just need to loosen it so there's a bit space between them, 3 to 4 millimeters. As the next step, on the windshield that he sent you, which apparently is called Perspex, Perspex. Yeah, that's what it says. Perspex. You want to unscrew the metal part from the plastic part, and you do that using a 4 millimeter Allen screw. Allen key. This is a 4 millimeter Allen key. In German it's called Inbus, so maybe it's the thing that you get at IKEA. Please be mindful of those rubber washers there. So there's kind of rubber between the glass and the metal, so when you take out the screws, make sure they don't fall off. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to fit this stainless steel part that was attached to the windshield. You want to fit that in here. It will look a bit weird, but it fits perfectly once you get it. So as I said, you have to loosen those screws a bit, and then you just kind of slide it in. You should probably use both hands. I'm trying to do this with my phone in my hand. Right, there you go. So you will see it just sits perfectly on that. The little nose gets behind this, and this here on the top, this here on the top sits on top of that. And now what you do is you screw those screws back on with a wrench. Just realize that you need to put this back on first before you put the windshield on, because if the windshield is on, there's not enough space to put this smoothly back on. So before you do that, you should probably think about, cleaning this. Whenever you have something open in your car, there's always a good chance to clean it. And once you've done that, you put this back on. That might be a bit hard going, so it helps to put your fingers inside and press against the back so that this back fits behind here. It will. Just give it a bit of a wiggle. Yeah, and then all you need to do is attach the window. Make sure that the rubber is behind, so the rubber protects the Perspex plastic against the metal part, and then also have the metal rings around it. And hand tighten it. Don't over tighten it because it might break the plastic. And there you go. I must say, I'm quite taken away with this. I think it looks great. Dun, 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 dun. No, this is exactly what I wanted.